Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to upload high quality video in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So let's click on this. Now we need to click on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. And now in this 3-line icon in the top right corner. Now click on settings and privacy. Now we need to scroll down and we can see this data saver option over here. Now we need to turn this off if it is enabled. So let's turn this off. This is because this data saver saves your data but lowers your resolution. Now next thing we need to do is while recording the video. Let's try this one. Let's click on this plus icon over here. Now you can record your video. And when you are done, you can click on this mark and click on next. Now here you can click on this more options over here. Scroll down. You can see this allow high quality uploads. So we have to enable this. If this is disabled, your video quality may be lower. So enable this. So this is how you can upload high quality video in TikTok. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.